Do sweet potato pie. I believe I had a video uploaded before. I don't know if I had deleted it by accident or whatever, but since I'm making it, I figured I would record it. So I boiled 3 sweet potatoes, which should yield about 2 cups, maybe a little bit over, but I'm thinking around 2 cups. And I also have 6 tablespoons of butter melted, which I'm going to add right now. And then I'm just going to mix that up until it reaches like a creamy consistency. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar, and I'm going to actually add 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar, and I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add 2 eggs, and a 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm just going to mix up the remaining ingredients. I have the mix all ready. I made like an egg wash. It has a little bit, some milk and like a slightly beaten egg. And these are the pie crusts I took straight out the freezer. And I'm just gonna go along the edges of the pie crust. And all this will do is give it like a nice color. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So again, only along the edges. And I'm gonna do the next one and I'll come back. See, I've already added the mix to 1 pie plate, and what I did was I did 2 cups of mix for that plate, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this one, about 2 cups. So just like what I said. So 3 yields about 2 cups. Little, maybe a little bit over, but about 2 cups. So I'm actually gonna put this in a 350-degree preheated oven for just 30 minutes. What I've come to realize with this oven, this is an electric oven. When I do cakes or anything, 30 minutes is good enough. So 350 for 30 minutes, but just remember oven times do vary. But again, I have an electric oven and I have it set preheated to 350, and I'm going to cook this pie for 30 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back when they're all done and tell you my next step. Pies are all done. I let them cook in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. That's all I needed. The oven is electric, and as mentioned, it cooks pretty fastly. So yeah, 350-degree oven, 30 minutes. I'm going to let them cool, and once they cool down, I'll put them in the refrigerator to set even further. So I don't know what happened to my other video, but I re-uploaded it, and now you can see how I do my sweet potato pie.